Welcome to the Essential Ableton Mix Tools, a collection of racks designed to help you solve the challenges of mixing and have fun while you do it. When you're making a mix, every sound demands unique treatment for dynamics, tone, level, and its position in the stereo field. Now, the pan knob and volume faders are the easy ones because you automatically get those controls on every track in live. But when it's time to make detailed decisions about EQ and compression on every sound, it's easy to get a little bit lost. That's why we developed the Essential Ableton Mix Tools, a collaboration with Madeline from Sonic Bloom and me, Steve Knotts from Mixitecture. These racks help you solve the challenges of mixing by giving you a starting place to get your sounds in shape. Let's take a look at what's inside. Madeline built stereo effects racks specifically for electronic producers, focusing on the sounds we love like beats, snare, hi-hats and cymbals, and a special vocal rack to make your lyrics sparkle. In all our racks, you just click through the macro variations to pick the tone you want, then tweak a few knobs to dial it in for your mix. If you struggle with mixing because you kind of don't know what to do, these racks are going to make it easy. All the hard decisions are taken care of, so you can just tweak the knobs and have fun. On my side, I took my universal channel strip and saved presets for the instruments we use most in electronic music, like kicks, subs, top loops, bass lines, plucks, pads, leads, and a few vocal presets of my own. Now, if you like mixing but you're not sure exactly what to do on every different sound, these racks are going to lead you in the right direction and help you make great mixes without wasting time or feeling frustrated. But there's more. When you get the Essential Ableton Mix Tools, you also get this instrument group polisher. Drop this on a group track to glue your mid-range sounds together, bring them up louder in the mix, and add a little EQ to get them sounding crisp, bright, and polished. And that's not all. Everybody loves the bass line, so I added a special rack called Fuzz Bass Filters that thickens up your bass line with harmonic distortion to make it cut through your low-end mix with a range of textures from deep to aggressive. And that's still not all. Some people hate EQing, and I wanted to make this as simple as possible, so I saved a special rack of EQ presets that are really easy to use on push. Again, with snapshots for the sounds we use all the time like kicks, subs, synths, and drums, so you can easily get through the EQ process without bashing your head against the wall. This whole collection comes in a self-installing live pack, which means you just double-click and it will pop up in your browser next to all your other packs. Then you can drag the right rack on the right track and snap your mixes into shape. This amazing collection includes a total of 17 racks and 65 presets ready for you to drop in your mix sessions and dial in great sound. Get them all now and make your mixdowns easier. Requires Live 11.3, Standard Edition, or newer. Thanks for being part of Mixitecture. Let's make some tracks.